This is Anshuman, your travel buddy once again here. And today's vlog is about HSM visa in 2026. So if you want to move to Netherlands in 2026, the highly skilled migrant visa or HSM visa, which is called, is it the fastest move or most reliable way to get here? But the rules, salary, requirements, process has been changed compared to 2025. In this video, I will walk you through the complete 2026 HSM visa process, step by step in a simple language. Stay till the end, and I'll share the biggest mistake people make that delay your visa. So this is your travel buddy Anshuman. Kick it off again. So before we dive into the full process, let's quickly look at what has been changed from 2025 to 2026 because these updates affect almost every applicant. And I'm sharing because recently a couple of my friends have applied it and I got the feedback from them, and that's why I'm creating a vlog today on that. First is higher salary threshold. Every year, Dutch government adjusts the minimum salary of HSM visa. In 2026, the required salary has increased again to match the inflation and the labor market conditions. So minimum gross salary you need to slightly higher than in 2025. Second, stricter employee compliance. In 2026, IND introduced a tighter checks as a recognized sponsor. Company must now show the stronger proof of genuine employment, proper onboarding, and timely salary payment. This reduces fake job offers and protect applicants. Third one is a faster digital processing. More employers can now submit the document digitally. This can speed up the processing, but only if your documents are complete and accurate. So that the timeline compared to 2025 to 2026 has been changed. Some municipalities in 2026, in terms of housing considerations, are paying more attention to the housing availability. So in certain cities, you may ask for proof of accommodation earlier, especially if you are moving with family. So guys, keep this in mind. An updated MVB appointment system. Several Dutch embassies updated their appointment system in 2026, making scheduling more predictable but require early planning. So these changes make the process smoother for the genuine applicant, but also mean that you must be careful for your documentation and employer verification. Now let's talk about what is HSM visa for the persons who are new here, doesn't know about the HSM visa. So let me talk about that. The HSM visa is a resident permit for the skilled professionals who have a job offer from a Dutch employer. The key requirement is that your employer must have a recognized sponsor within the IND and the Dutch Immigration Authority. The visa allow you to live and work in the Netherlands, bring your family, and eventually move towards a permanent residence. It is one of the most straightforward work visa in Europe. So that's about a background of the HSM visa. What are the eligibility criteria? What are the requirements? To qualify for HSM in 2026, you need a very few important conditions. Recognized sponsor. So your employer must be registered as a recognized sponsor with ID. Salary requirement, you must meet 2026 HSM salary threshold. This amount change every year, so depend on your age and job category. A valid employment contract. Your contract must follow the Dutch labor laws, working hours, benefit, and the genuine role. Basic documents, you need a valid passport, your employment contract, and supporting document like degree and experience letter. But normally these are the basics ones. Step-by-step process that I will tell you in a bit. The first thing what you need to do, get a job from the recognized sponsor. Start finding a job with a company that registered in the recognized sponsor. You can check in the official IND list. Let me know if you guys need a link. I will send that. Please put it on the comment box. And look for the company that's mentioned visa sponsorship in their job post. Use platform like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and company career page. Second thing is employer applies to IND. Once you accept the offer, your employer submit the visa application to IND, and you don't apply yourself. The company does it in your behalf, so you don't have to take any action on it. Step three is the ID processing time. ID usually take few weeks to process the application, sometimes faster, sometimes slower, depending on the workload and the document competency. But recently, as my friend, he applied in the month of February, and within the 2 weeks, he got the approval. So you guys can imagine how the faster. And then another one is an arrival in the Netherlands. So once you arrive, what you have to do? After you arrive in the Netherlands, you register at the municipality, get your BSN number, open a bank account, and pick your resident permit from IND. After you officially are ready to start new in the Netherlands. What are the costs that involve, right? There's some cost involved in HSM visa, which is called IND fees, MBV fees, if applicable, travel cost, housing deposit, health insurance. Some employers may cover this part, but it varies. So I don't want to go on that. What are the benefits that you have in HSM visa? HSM visa comes with several advantages. You can bring your spouse and children, your partner can work freely, you can change jobs without leaving the country, you can travel across EU extension area. After a few years, you can apply for PR, permanent resident. It is one of the most flexible and migrant-friendly visas in Europe. Now I'm going to talk very important aspect. What are the common mistakes to avoid? So not checking if the employer is recognized as sponsor. So sometimes I got a couple of emails from a couple of guys of you asking me to verify the offer letter. But instead of asking me, make sure that the sponsor is a part of the recognized sponsor in the IND website. Accept job offer from fake or unregistered company. That's really a big mistake people are doing nowadays. Not meeting the salary requirement, submitting incomplete documents, not planning MVP appointments early. Avoid this. This process, if you make sure that these are all met, then your process will become much smoother. So that's all. Just giving you a quick overview. So if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe. And I'm creating more videos on HSM salary requirement in 2026, how to find a sponsor, moving to Netherlands from family, cost of living in 2026, and drop your comments. I will make a tailor for you, your country. So I will just check what the process for your country, and I will share that as well. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you in my next vlog. This is your travel buddy signing it off, and have a great